Where do people turn when they have a problem and want a solution? Think. They look for a video with the answer. You know it. Everyone's doing it now. All age groups, all topics, and you could capitalize on that. What's the easiest way to make informative videos of any kind? Well, pay attention because you are about to unlock how to get in on one of the fastest growing video industries on the web. I'm talking about a slice of what's predicted to be a multi-billion-dollar pie. Hi, I'm Todd Gross, and I absolutely love video, as you may know. It's the most effective way to reach your audience, to inform, to teach, to deliver any type of message at all. It's not just about video marketing. In fact, it's funny because it's almost like it's assumed that video and marketing are synonymous with one another. And it's the best way to be successful using video. But in my opinion, there's a much better way. It's just not true. There's another more versatile and lucrative avenue that you can easily tap into with the right software. Yup, there is a monster market growing like a weed that each and every one of us can capitalize on. I've done it already. And you could create profitable online businesses with. That's the show me video market, with an emphasis on screen capture. The videos that show how certain software works by showing the software itself. The videos that show the solution to millions of problems where you don't even necessarily have to be in the video yourself, or you could just voice it over. The videos that teach, that train, that inform, and make you into an instant, valuable go-to person for whatever your interest or your target niche is. That's how I started, by creating videos showing how to use software with back-office tours of the software. Now, I got paid a pretty penny to make these training videos, and it made me into a valuable player that could barter my talents, and it opened the door after door after door for me. It's the easiest way to, break into training sites like Udemy as an example, or to show a solution on YouTube where you can garner thousands and thousands of views from people that are looking for a solution to their problem, and you could monetize those videos. It's the easiest, I guess you could call it, talent to possess and use to make contact with software developers to help them train others how to use their programs. That's what I did. But there is a big problem. Good software that both captures the screen and offers all the editing features you need to make high-quality explainer videos that we've come accustomed to can be very expensive, to the tune of hundreds of dollars. And even if you find the software that you want, you purchase it for that few $100s, guess what? It goes up in price effectively because you have to pay for the upgrades as they come out year after year, each version. What if there was a cloud-based video editing software, though, that was a mere fraction of the price, and you only had to pay one time, and you had unlimited use for unlimited projects? What if there was that software? And what if it was equipped with the following: all the must-have editing features, screen capture, voice record, and even text-to-speech with language translation? What if it had all that? Well, today, my team, along with Brabant Technologies, has produced that very software. We're offering it in the form of something called VidSnatcher. That's the software package that you are going to flip over, the last video editing tool that you'll need for years to come. It's an exciting time with the advances in technology of video creation, and there's no need for you to be on camera if you don't want to. There's no need to even speak to create the great videos if you don't want to, with the text-to-speech, of course, which we include. And now you could create videos in virtually any language, including this explainer kind of video that I'm talking about. It eliminates the language barriers. It opens up access to new markets all around the world. It's this type of game-changing technology, combined with the hyper-growth in the how-to, training, and e-learning industries, that is currently setting the stage for each and every one of us to totally capitalize in a massive way with video. And VidSnatcher is going to help you make that happen. VidSnatcher's completely open canvas editing style with screen capture technology enables you to create any type of video, and it is perfect for how-to explainer videos. Now imagine creating how-to videos, a course, a training course for VidSnatcher itself. That's just one example of what you can do. You could actually train other people to use this very software. You could translate it into Spanish, French, German, Japanese, Italian. You get the picture. It's a business in a box already. And publish all of them on YouTube to drive affiliate marketing sales. You've just unlocked potential sales in each one of those markets. And the strategy is applicable to literally every single niche that exists. Now, as I mentioned, VidSnatcher is a truly open canvas type video editor. So you can take video from other apps. That's really important, whether it's a whiteboard video maker or Kinetic or Spokesperson or live action, screencast, animation. The list goes on. All those video editors that you may already have, now you have the tool to combine the pieces, edit and enhance them to truly create a uniquely customized video. With VidSnatcher, there really is no limit. The feature is abundant. Screen capture, as you already know, is huge and missing from so many video editors out there. And now you have that missing piece right there. Green screen editing, one of my favorite features, of course. Or how about being able to play back a video that you're editing and record your voice all at the same time within the editor. You could add transitions between clips, you could add and edit text overlays, you can import icons from the icon library. It's built right in. You could upload subtitles, even share media directly from your media bin, and much more. And everything that you import and create is easily edited with VidSnatcher's drag and drop timeline style editing interface. Now, each video that you produce is rendered in full HD quality. And since VidSnatcher is in the cloud, there's no downloading of the software needed. You don't have to worry about that. And importantly, you don't have to worry about updates. We handle it all on our end. You don't have to shell out more money with each version update. If you create a larger project and you don't want to wait for it to render, you could close your browser and the video continues to process in the background. Obviously, it's processing on our end, so you don't have to worry about that at all. We even send you an email as soon as it's finished so that you can download it. Your extremely minimal one-time investment for VidSnatcher Commercial will be the last that you'll have to make for a video editor for years. It doesn't get any better than that. And remember, this is a tool geared to propelling you into one of the fastest growing online markets for years to come. Now is the time to move on this. You will see that you could use VidSnatcher in so many ways, literally every day, to help you drive your business forward with video. So don't miss this opportunity. That is, of course, backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't believe that over the next several days, months, or even years, that you'll recoup your small one-time investment today, we will send your money back. Take advantage of this very limited time offer to get VidSnatcher and start right now.